In this video, we will create a Sankey diagram with Amazon Q4 for year 2023 income data. Sankey chart data requirements: you need between 2 and 8 columns of categorical data to create a Sankey chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a Sankey chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will construct a Sankey chart with 7 data columns as follows. 6 columns containing categorical data. 1 column containing numerical data. Important: Sankey chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the left. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Select the ChartExpo add-in. Select the Sankey chart. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Sankey chart is created successfully. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Make sure you have turned on Show Property before you click the Apply button. Click on the Node Properties pen to edit the properties. You can sort incoming and outgoing links. Click on the Sort Outgoing Links section. Mouse hover on Link tile to see more detail in the tooltip. You can sort links by drag and drop. Click on the Settings button. Click on the Drawing Mode section. By default, negative number support is disabled. You can enable negative number support by sliding the Enable Negative Data button to the right, that is turning it on. Click on the Node Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Node section. You can hide node outline by sliding the Show Node Outline button to the left, that is turning it off. You can change the color of node. You can set the color direction for node links. We will select the option Node Links Right 1 level from the list. You can set the node's width. Change the color of all nodes. Click on the Node Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Number section. You can set number precision. You can change the format type. You can set the currency format in uppercase or lowercase. Click on the Node Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the percentage section. You can hide or show percentages. Click on the Node Properties pane to edit the properties. Click on the Symbols section. You can hide or show parentheses. You can set prefix to prepend $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Level Properties pane to edit the properties. Click on the Text section. You can hide or show level labels. The impact of this change will appear after you click on the Save Changes button. Click on the Save Changes button. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.